bottom, which means it's gone like this, as opposed to it being a packer job where it's gone like that. Right then, there's a little car down there. Oh, what I've got here is the doors dropped. And if you look at the gap down there, just tight at the top and big at the bottom, which means it's gone like this, as opposed to it being a packer job where it's gone like that. So with this one, I am going to adjust the hinges, and yeah, I'm going to push this bottom one out and see what difference that makes. So as long as I have my right Allen key, here's squeaky squeaky. Hopefully it's not the one that's missing, and 9 times out of 10 it is. Oh no. Right, so one thing is I put my finger here because I'm feeling which way it's moving to when I turn it. Also I want to turn it the right way, that's it, it's going the right way. It's pulling out. Now it's rubbing. It's still rubbing on the bottom. But what's the gap like? Get running the top bottom's a bit more equal. Have a little turn. So now what I'm going to do is look to see if I can. Oh, well, let's adjust the height. Yeah, that's lifting the door up. So let me get my knife. And then I'll do the same with this. That's it, that's just pinching. That's it, it's not rubbing at all. And we'll do the top. As you can see where it is there, look at that gap there. So I want to take the gap up. So it's actually resting on the hinge itself. Here we go. Now, that's perfect. It's latching nicely, not rubbing. Then won't lift the handle. Oh, so that's moved, didn't realise I turned it. Yeah, so that pretty much spot on. And then now I need to find where that, here it is. And where is the other one? Here it is. Okay, and then for good measure, we'll just give it a little spray. And just check it. That's it. Look it up. Unlock it. Look it up. Unlock it. That's it. Job done.